Hello and welcome to week 1, term 3, lesson 3, pie charts or pie graphs. So yesterday we looked at how to do a bar graph, and today we're looking at displaying data in a different way, in a pie chart or a pie graph. A pie graph is a circular interpretation of a graph. So basically looks like that. It's circular. And the benefits of a pie graph is that it can give us a real look at how data is displayed, and it gives us a real breadth of how much a particular thing is valued. I'm going to show you a pie graph that I did, and I want you to have a go at doing your own pie graph. It has the same information in a bar graph, but instead of just being vertical, it has breadth and width to it. If you have a knowledge of fractions, which we did last term, you'll understand that a pie graph can be divided in halves, quarters, eighths, and sixteenths. And that's something which I think we should do with our pie graphs. We shouldn't make them too complicated. So if you think of the whole circle, the whole pie, representing 100%, that's a fantastic way to do your pie graph. And it will also give you the opportunity of being able to divide your pieces up equally. If you haven't got a circle, that's okay. You can use a plate. A side plate is probably better than a dinner plate. It'll be a very big pie graph. And you can cut out several circles like I did to show the different halves, quarters, eighths and sixteenths. And because we did that in our fraction unit, you'll be able to cut those nice and neatly. Our learning intention today, we are working out how to represent data on a pie chart or pie graph. Our success criteria. I can represent collected data in a pie chart, and it's effective data. I can devise a survey that can collect and measure data for the representation on a pie chart. I can draw conclusions from the data displayed on the chart. I understand what data can and cannot be displayed on a pie chart. So for example, if you were to do a survey of a child in a maths test, you couldn't really show the progress of that child in a pie chart effectively, because you'd be showing it on a tally chart maybe, or you could show it on a bar graph on different levels, but a pie chart being circular, it would be harder to do. The likely difficulties that you might come across, all the difficulties lie in the creation of the pie graph itself, in the circular shape. But because we did fractions and we used circles as our region, I think it's a good way to have a go at doing a pie chart. I'm not looking for 100% accuracy. I'm just looking to see whether you can devise questions that can be displayed in a circular format. Equipment. You will need a pencil, rubber, ruler, sheets of paper. If you have a protractor, that'd be brilliant, because then you'll be able to do the circle easily. Or you can use a plate. The maths language today. Once again, you'll be looking at statistics. So the collection and grouping of facts in number form. Data, the collection of facts, numbers, measurements or symbols. Probability, the likelihood or chance of an event happening. Pie graph, in this case it's circular like a pie. And please watch the video attached to this, because we use a cake to divide up and make a pie chart. And it's a really, really good example of a simple pie chart. The instructions. Watch the video attached. Now, the data that you might use for a pie chart. What I've done is I'm going to give you some data, but once again, I would love you to use your own data. And I'm going to do it out of 16. So there's 16 data sets that I've collected, and I'm doing it out of 16 because a circle can be easily divided into 16. So I want you to put this data set. I've got how many data? 3 sets of data. You can choose any of these 3. So data set 1. In a class of 16 students, they were surveyed and they were asked what their favourite milkshake was. Now, of the 16 students, 6 students like chocolate, 2 students like strawberry, 3 students like Oreo flavoured milkshakes, 3 other students like peppermint, 1 liked vanilla and 1 liked eggnog. Now, can you create a pie chart out of that data provided? Data set 2. In a class of 16 students surveyed about what fruit they liked, 5 liked apples, 4 liked strawberries, 2 liked oranges, 4 liked mangoes, and 1 liked dragon fruit. Can you create a pie chart out of that data provided? And the last data set, in a class of 16 students, they were surveyed about football teams that they liked. 5 liked Barcelona, 3 liked Real Madrid, 3 liked Chelsea, 3 liked Manchester United, 1 liked PSG, and 1 liked Liverpool. Can you create a pie chart out of that data? Some questions. Do you understand how to represent data in different ways? How do you think your data collection went? How do you know your data is correct? What are some of the difficulties that you faced? Now, once again, you can upload this to Compass, or you can show me in our daily WebEx, which is happening every day, Monday to Friday, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. I will also be doing some of these math lessons online as well. Remember to send it to the Compass portal, or you can send it to my Edumail. Take care, stay safe, and have a go at making a pie chart. So here's an example of a pie chart that I did. So I started off with a circle, and I actually used a circular piece of paper, which is a bit of a cheating thing, but you can buy circular paper if you like. And then I did my pie chart, and here is my pie chart. And you can see I did book genres, and each color represents a different book genre. So as you can see, I did 5 different genres: comedy, action, mystery, horror, and travel. And reading my pie chart, I can see that 32% of students surveyed liked comedy best, and only 6% liked travel. Now, this is an example of a pie chart, but I'm also going to do some at school in our lessons. So please tune in the morning and we can do a pie chart together. Thank you.